What it do, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karabo. For some of you guys who are new here, welcome and thank you so much. Like, I want to say thank you because you guys are insane. You guys are amazing. You've been showing love a whole lot and I appreciate that so much. I wish I could name drop, but if I did, I wouldn't be appreciating those that are actually doing the work as well, but behind the scenes without even you know, showing up. Do you know what I mean? But I just want to say thank you for your support. Thank you for the love that you guys give me. It's insane. I really love it and it makes me feel really good about myself. So thank you so much. Okay. Let me switch this light on. Boom. There we go. We got a light now. So I'm gonna take you guys through my day. Basically what happened before we got here. I woke up this morning around 20 past 6, and I had to take my mom to her carpool area. And then I came back. It was around 6:45, somewhere there. Did my morning devotions type of things. Spoke to my God. My God, it sounds weird. I spoke to God. Had a conversation with him about the day. Just conversations, basically. And then after that, I undid my hair. I'm gonna show you guys in this clip. I undid my hair. It took a while because I was also in a way responding to my suppliers because they were busy texting around that time. As you guys know, our 3 a.m. is their 9 a.m. So 6 a.m. is like 7 a.m. is around their lunchtime, so 12:1, and they get kind of busy. And the problem is after they go eat whatever it is that they eat, they are not productive at all. And I dislike that a lot. That's why I prefer to wait up for them. Wait up. I prefer to wait up for them around 3 a.m. to talk to them while they're still like fresh and ready to actually do the work. You know what I mean? So I was speaking to them while I was busy undoing my hair. After that, I just hopped into the shower. I washed my hair because it had the gel and all that stuff, so I had to shampoo my hair and condition it a little, and then did a little bit of a scrub down because y'all already know what it is. Did a bit of a scrub down, but yeah, had a good time in the shower. Came out and I actually want to promote this. I don't want to lie to you. I want to promote it because it's good stuff. I'm not promoting because I don't even have any other reason why I would promote it except the fact that, why is it like that? I'm promoting this because there's no other reason. Like, I'm promoting it because I really do love this. First things first, you guys already know that I'm in love with scents, like beautiful sweet scents, right? And this over here has that. Today I used this oil and I wanted to promote it on my YouTube channel. I'm supposed to do this on Instagram. I am going to post a post on Instagram about this oil. However, I wanted to include this in this video because it is what it thinks it is, okay? This is from Kamouflage Bow. Now, Kamouflage Bow is owned by one of my former high school schoolmates. What do we say? I went to high school with her, so I'm proud. Like, I'm proud, and I am proud to actually just hold it up like this and say she did that. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about it. I really do enjoy having healthy looking glowy type of skin. That's why I applied it all over my chest. I thought I was gonna wear something, you know, revealing today, but you know, the weather is not allowing. But I feel like you guys can see, like, I need y'all to see how glistening this is. Like, it's really nice. It's like a very healthy glow, which is amazing. Y'all know I love me some healthy glow. Like, quit playing. The broski, he's looking good today. So I love it, and it's recommended for all skin types. So whether you have dry skin, oily skin, problematic skin, we're good, mama. We are good. So I want to leave their details in the description box if you are interested. This is a business that is owned by someone that I know. Like, it's insane. Like, I'm really happy. It's someone I know. I went to high school with her and she's such a sweetheart. So show some love, guys. Show some love. The country is kind of open and it allows us to go to events and stuff like that, so that's awesome. When you wear your shorts you know, go on and pop on some oil and just glisten, mama, just glisten. Okay, all right, so cool, no stress. I just wanted to talk to you guys about my day, just kind of show you what happened. After that, I sat down to do my hair. I'm gonna film the hair video now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film the makeup video because I don't have time. I have to be out of the house by 10 o'clock and it is 9:15, sorry. So I just need to do my hair, but I want to film that, and then after that I probably will catch up with you guys in a few. So see ya. Which you can see right now, it's actually quite cute. Like, I'm not mad at this, like I really like it. It's quite cute. So yeah, I did my hair, and then why are you doing that though? Cool. And then I headed out to meet up with my grandmother because her appointment is at 11. I couldn't do my makeup, but I'm done with my hair. My hair took longer than I thought it would. I'm done with my hair. I did not film the hair video. I'm gonna film the makeup video. So because it was already late, guys. It really was already late, and I had to charge my battery while I waited, while I was busy. Sorry. While I was busy with my hair, right? So yeah, like I said, I'm at my grandmother's house now. I'm waiting for her to come through. Here she comes. And then we're gonna go to the dentist, her appointment. When we get to the dentist, I will be busy with some work while my hair dries. So I'm gonna be like this, like all the time until it dries properly, or at least enough. So I'm gonna chat to you guys in a couple of hours. Come in. Okay, so I just got to the airport. I'm gonna go to the customs office to drop off other forms as well. I took off that thing, and now I have like lines on my forehead. But anyway, I'm gonna go inside and then I'll see you guys in a few. Is dirty, like it's really dirty, but anyway, they were so helpful. Oh my word, they were so helpful. But anyway, I'm on my way out. Actually, my mask is dirty. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay, so I just dropped my grandmother off. Let's see. I just dropped my grandmother off now. I'm going back to town. I'm going back home actually. yes, I'm gonna go back home. I think I'm gonna do my makeup and film that because I want to look pretty, and then we'll see what's up. Sure. And now I'm here. I'm about to film a makeup video, and I'm gonna go out for lunch late lunch, because I'm really hungry and I didn't have anything to eat the whole day. So I'm gonna meet up with somebody. I'm gonna meet up with somebody, have some lunch, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do after that, but it is what it is. It feels good being here, guys. I don't want to lie to no one. It feels really good. I don't know where here is, but this is where I need to be. This is where I want to be. So get happy. Okay, cool. Let me film a makeup video to be uploaded on Wednesday, I believe. So I think I'm gonna do that. So cool. I'm gonna check up on you guys in a few, and yeah. Goodbye. Okay, so the lights are back because I couldn't take them to the other room as yet. Mara, I had to come through. Okay, cool. So I'm done with the makeup video. Maybe I should move away from the sun, even though, oh child. Okay, cool. So I'm done with the makeup video, and I am literally heading out right now. Actually, I have my jacket in the car because it is gonna get chilly. Got my jacket in the car, and do you know what? I realized that I want to dress up. Like, I really want to dress up so nicely, but so I'm always in my mom clothes, like comfortable clothes, because I have this shirt and then I have like a pair of jeans and then boop. But I have a pair of heels in the car in case. Okay, no, not really, there's no in case, but yeah. Anyway, what did I want to do actually? I feel like I don't remember what I wanted to do. Yo, this camera is heavy, hey? I need to get me like a vlogging camera, like a nice cute vlog. I can't stop looking at myself. Have you ever just looked good and then have you ever told yourself that? Okay, I'm kidding. Okay, I'm done actually. I'm gonna drive out. I think I'm gonna go to maybe Radisson, because it's 4 p.m. right now and I haven't decided where I want to go eat. So maybe Radisson, but I want Hub, so I don't know. Maybe Radisson. I'll think about it because it's nice and chilled. I'll hectic like that. And Kamaba busy about Savannah Diaboya. I don't want to be the girl that gets like kidnapped or something, but I want Hub though. Or maybe Waterland. Ish. While I think about it, I'm gonna like, what's the word? While I think about it, I'm just gonna like stop the video here for now. And then I feel like y'all can see under my nose. I'm gonna stop the video here for now, and then what I'm gonna do is catch up with you guys using my phone, because it's easier for me to vlog with my phone, because I can act as if I'm on my phone, even though you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna use my phone to vlog. The quality will be not so great, but it's whatever, okay? It is what it is, bro. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna close the vlog, or maybe I'm gonna continue vlogging tomorrow. I don't know, I'm not too sure as yet, but I'm gonna put this in here and say, if I don't vlog tomorrow, thank you so much for watching this vlog. It wasn't also interesting in any way, but you know, you got to spend the day with me and you kind of saw what I do. Actually, I think my busiest days are always Fridays. I don't know why, because last week Friday was as hectic, but I love the fact that I went out to hang out with friends, because that's how I recuperate. That's how I like, it's my downtime basically, because throughout the week I'm like hardly ever sleeping, and it's work. didn't mean to go there. But anyway, yeah, man, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog and that you will give it a thumbs up, as well as leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to share this video if you have to, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, I'd love for you to do so right now before we continue. No, actually before you head on to another video. So click onto the subscribe button. It should be somewhere down there, baby. Click onto that and then we good. I'm excited. Like this whole week I've just been overjoyed, and I'm not complaining. I don't want to lie, like I'm not complaining. It's amazing. It's just, it's exhausting. Like being happy is really exhausting. Only tired because when you're laughing, you're smiling, like there's just this inner joy that it's inexplainable. I can't even begin to explain how it feels, but I'm grateful to have it because it's a very beautiful feeling to have. So yeah, I feel like I'm just talking. Okay, baby. Shop shop ne. I had to come back for this. Just for me.